So फैमिली गैंग का रियूनियन कैसा था?
Oh, it was lovely.
काफी सारे रियूनियन हो गए अब तो.
नहीं, actually नहीं, इतने नहीं हुए.
I think when you all came out, you all did some party, Karan, Veer and stuff.
So what happened was in the house, everybody knew कि 12th floor पे party होने वाली है.
हाँ.
So they came home and then obviously everybody was busy. So it was Karan, me and Chum and Digvijay that we met at home.
Yeah.
And then everyone is luckily and happily busy in their professions and their careers. So I haven't got a chance to catch up so much with them. But yes, Chum and I speak practically every other day. So does Karan. But Karan is very busy, you know. He's a busy man.
I like it, like busy
So
man.
yeah, he's a busy man.
But you were also out there, the unofficial matchmaker also.
ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. I will do matchmaking. I तो don't know only that what is going on. मुझे तो personally ऐसा लग रहा है कि
unofficial काम है इसलिए, you know, you can't.
नहीं रुद्धानी, it was not like that. मेरे को genuinely लगता है कि
you saw love between them.
No, they were. I saw affection. I wouldn't call it love. Because obviously you're 24/7 with someone, you may feel it's love, it may not be love, but there was affection.
Fair enough.
There was true friendship. And Chum is like that. She was not only like that with Karan, she was like that with me too. So what should I say that, oh, she is in love with me? नहीं, ऐसा तो नहीं बोल सकती ना. Love भी different forms of love होते हैं.
Absolutely.
It's not just because एक लड़का और लड़की दोस्त है या प्यार करते, वो प्यार वैसी होना चाहिए. ऐसा थोड़ी कहा लिखा है.
Fair enough. But of course, you know, Karan has really been open about his emotions, and I think you kind of acknowledged that as well, because he was very like, I just want to say it, you know, I really like her, I want to be with her now. Rest is up to her.
I think they both have in their own ways, and they're mature individuals. They're not 18-19 साल के बच्चे नहीं हैं.
Sure.
They're all mature people.
They both seen lives.
Exactly. So I think
But tell me, what was the fun things? What did you laugh about when you all finally, you know, whenever you meet and the last time you met?
What to tell you? This Karan keeps watching Big Boss and he keeps sending us little videos. And I'm like, you're actually watching the damn episodes? I mean, he said, yeah, Shilpa, and he's got commentary behind.
Yeah, Chum told me she hasn't, by the way.
I also haven't.
You also haven't.
We just see those things that he sends us.
To both of you.
And he'll send us.
You'll have like a WhatsApp group.
We have a little group of our own. So he'll send it on that group and he'll say, Chummi, dekh. Shilpa ma'am, aisa kya? Once so he sent me some, and I'm like, Karan, acha, so now he's reached nearly the end. 2-month part he's gone. Where I'm telling him something, I forget also, बाप रे. मुझे देखना ही नहीं है, क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैं इतने हैप्पी मेमोरीज से बाहर आई हूँ. मुझे वो देख के I don't want to just spoil anything, because the Big Boss that was being shown and the Big Boss that we were experiencing
was different.
मतलब I didn't see most of it. So I don't know which house I was living in, because clearly like Big Boss हमेशा बोलते थे कि पता नहीं आप कहाँ हो. But you know, I'm honestly of a belief, my husband's best friend is a woman. And I love Niru. She's my husband's best friend. They're college friends.
Correct.
So for me, it's very normal that a boy and a girl can be good friends.
Yeah.
So अगर, for example, Chum और Karan साथ है, I like the way they were together.
Yeah.
So that is the reason maybe they said, oh, I'm the official matchmaker or whatever it is. So that part was so cute and so real and so genuine, because I was 24/7 with them. But like Big Boss used to always say, Avinash and Isha. I said, is it? What are they doing? Everyone used to come and tell me, like, Shilpa ma'am, आप नहीं देखते ये? I said, नहीं, मैं नहीं देखती. आप कौन से एंगल से देख रहे हो? मेरे को please बता दो, because I don't see. I just see two good friends in the house.
Fair enough.
So I think it's also the experience in life that
Perspective.
अलग
हो सकता है.
हाँ, सबके अलग है. मेरे तो बहुत ही अलग थे उस घर में.
ठीक है, you were still being yourself, na?
Yeah.
You are still happy about the way you were.
Yeah,
right?
yeah. Like Anushka came in for that family day, and
so
she
cute.
said to her, he says, you know, you all think my mother is very smart and shrewd and all, but वो actually slow है थोड़ी. She's actually being herself. And I'm looking at Anushka. I said, is that what you think about me? She said, Mama, but you are a little slow. And you know, apparently when I came out, my husband was telling me apps and was telling me, he said every time Big Boss used to say something to you, me and Anushka used to do a call because Apresh lives in London and Anushka lives in Scotland.
Yes.
तो वो लोग फोन करते थे और बोलते थे आई डोंट थिंक मम्मा वाला का ही समझ ले आज whatever Big Boss, you know, literally I used to sit next to Karan, okay, first initial weeks. So it used to be Karan, me, Chum, Shrutika,
yeah,
whatever. Then later it became Karan and Chum and me, and then one day when Shrutika and Chum, then it became Karan, Chum, Shrutika and me. So when I sit with Karan, it's also there on Big Boss is talking and I'm looking, मतलब क्या हुआ? बाद में बताता हूँ. You know, task, वो nomination task में तो समझ में नहीं आता था. तो Karan used to say, मैं क्या करूँ?
And everyone was like, सबको एड़ा बना रही है.
And literally Karan used to tell Big Boss, इनको मैंने train कर दिया, 19 में इसको 100% लेके जाओ. अभी I really feel कि अगर 19 हुआ, तो I should go just to prove to Karan that he's done a good job. I was just me. And I think if I had not to enter that house, I would have not met people like Chum and Karan. And for me, they'll always be so special. They were the reason for me to stay in that home. And they're just so lovely.
रिश्ते की बात कर रहे हैं. I'll have to bring up your other son.
My other son, please, my other son. The छोटा वाला कि बड़ा वाला?
You tell me who was actually fighting for the elder son and the younger son positions.
I have no idea.
So,
I have absolutely.
do you miss Vivian? And do you miss?
No, I don't miss Vivian at all. I laugh at whatever I see, the little reels that I see, and I just feel that, you know what? I don't know why you do what you do. I am not at all ashamed or embarrassed. Vivian, like I've said in every interview of mine, Vivian was the first friend I made in that house. And for me, like I said, I value relationships, I value people. And for me, that's all that mattered. And I knew that the first few weeks were very, very tough on him because he was being Vivian. Where he was, you know, उसका बात करने का तरीका, उसके mannerisms, लोगों को समझ में नहीं आ रहे थे. But I had seen a very, very soft side of him. And I knew that also is there. So I always feel, you know, I'm that kind of person कि कोई अगर किसी को कुछ बोल दे या कुछ उसको नीचे गिराने की कोशिश करे, तो I feel that, you know what, नहीं, because मैं हर इंसान में अच्छी चीज़ देखती हूँ ना. तो मुझे लगा जब अच्छी चीज़ है तो वो भी दिखनी चाहिए लोगों को.
जी बिल्कुल.
तो ये बेटे का ट्रैक तो माँ बेटे का ट्रैक तो शो में हो गया, चल गया, whatever it is. But I think Vivian is a great guy. He's not been in touch. I met him at Laughter Chefs and that was all about it. And you know, good luck to him. I'm sure he'll do extremely well in his life. There is nothing he did, like I'm saying again, he did what he did, he said what he said. Probably that was the best thing for him to be, and he was just being saying, you know, talking his heart out. And I was just being me. So we were both being ourselves. कभी रिश्ते आगे जाके चले तो चले, नहीं चले तो नहीं चले. No love lost. But best wishes to him always.
Sure. तो बहुत सारी बातें करनी है शिल्पा मैम के साथ. अब तो घर भी देखना है. ये तो हमने पहला रूम दिखाया, like I said, the kind of your hosting room, the, you know, the chilling room जिसे हम कह सकते हैं. But एक चीज़ मुझे ज़रूर पूछना है. There's a lot of textures of wood that I see cutting through the white walls.
It is. There's no thought.
Okay.
It just felt nice. Like my house in London is grey and white. And this, like I said, when I was in the house, maybe my husband felt, let me give a little brown this time. So he designed it with brown. But yeah, I think it looks good. It's actually all just fallen in place. I just realized, as you said, that yeah, it is, because that console and then mirror is brown.
Everything. Yeah.
These doors are my husband's favorite. It's railway wood.
Oh.
Yeah. So
lovely.
It's actually railway wood, and we did it in that color. So, yeah.
All right.